In experiment 2, a result of shaking the can of flat tasting beverage was that the. So over here we have experiment 2. So let's just read through these. I haven't read experiment 2 yet, so let's just read through these answer choices and go back and read it. So number of bubbles in the beverage immediately decreased. So can we make that assumption? The result of shaking the can of flat tasting beverage. So they sealed a can, shook it, and set it aside. 15 minutes later, they found the roll time of the can before and immediately after shaking it. That's trial 4. And again, they set the can aside. 2 hours later, they found the roll time of the can before and immediately after shaking it. So the number of bubbles in the beverage immediately decreased. Well, no, that doesn't look to be true. Because if they immediately decreased, we would expect that the before shaking and after shaking would be almost identical, because bubbles wouldn't impact this score, I think. So probably not A. Mass of the can of beverage increased. I don't know why mass would increase. That doesn't sound likely. Roll time of the can of beverage decreased. A result of shaking the can, so is that it looks like it increased. Roll time of the can increased. So looks like answer choice D, right? Because before shaking it, this is how long it took to roll down. And then after shaking it, it took a little bit longer. So the roll time of the can of beverage increased.